Well, Happy New Year, everybody. It's 2018, and I am back with another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to organize underneath your kitchen sinks. We can all use some tips and tricks. And yeah, let's get right to the video. So right here, you will see my under the sink kitchen situation here. Nothing's organized. You just kind of throw it underneath there, and it's not how I like it. So what I'm trying to do is utilize a lot of the space underneath the kitchen cabinets. You can see down here on the left side, I have a lot more space on that side. And then on the right side, I don't really have that much space because my garbage disposal is right there. But I am going to use a lot of space behind this wooden bar down here. And then I'll use all that other space on the other side. I'm going to get rid of all of the boxes and those cascade bags and just get rid of that. So here, one of the first things you want to do is you want to purge your area. You want to purge the area, get rid of all of the old stuff, and then clean out that area. Lay down some liner. I got some from Walmart, but you can get it anywhere. So I have these containers here. I got these from the container store, and what I'm going to do with these containers, I'm going to get rid of all of those boxes and basically use these containers as the way how I store my items underneath my kitchen sink. And you can see it looks really pretty this way instead of those boxes. Next, I'm going to do some magic erasers, and you can get these from anywhere: Target, Walmart, Sam's Club. And I found this Frigidaire freezer bin, and the top comes off of it, and I was like, you know what, this will be something nice to keep these in. So what I am going to do is take the magic erasers and cut them in half, because I feel like if you cut them in half, you get more use out of these magic erasers. Instead of using like a whole eraser, you may just need just half, or like maybe a small space or something like that. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut these up and put them real nice and pretty inside the bin. And there you have it, you guys. I got them all tucked in here real nice and neat. And I can also see when I get low, I can refill or put something else in there that I need. So good use. The next thing I'm going to do is make my own labels for these spray containers. I got these off of Amazon, and I thought it would be really neat to get rid of those Windex and those awesome bottles and just have everything all nice and neat. So I made some labels, and I got them labeled, and they'll go underneath the cabinet along with the rest of the goods. I think it looks cute. So how do y'all like the look? They look good, right? So I'm just showing some of my cleaning products that I normally use when I clean my home. And sorry that it's kind of dark a little bit. It was hard to get like some light in this cabinet. But I have these microfiber towels, and these are really good when you want to wipe off your countertops. And then I have another idea. I want to hang these trash bags on this wall right here, so I didn't know if I should use some come-in hooks or those little screw-in hooks. Then I got me some dishcloths, and I got this little basket from Walmart. It came 2 in a pack, and there you can see my magic erasers. So everything has a good space. And then this gray thing is basically one of those hospital tubs, and I just use it as a riser for my other basket that has all my other cleaning products. So you can see everything's all nice and tucked away. And then I have my containers from the container store. I have my my dishwasher packs. And then I have my latex rubber gloves. I like to use these when I'm handling meat or if I'm cleaning something and I don't want to get my nails messed up. And then I have my scrub pads. in the other container. And these containers are really good. And you guys, I swear, Method products are the thing, okay? Now, this Mrs. Meyer's cleaner spray is kind of still, you know, it's growing on me a little bit. And I have some of my Method Squirt Mop. This stuff smells awesome. Swear, get some. Just try it. This is not a sponsored video. It's just some good stuff. And with this rack, I got it from Amazon, but basically this just pulls out, and I have just some more cleaning products that I use in there. Nothing fancy, but it pulls out and goes back in. Well, there you have it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure you thumbs it up and subscribe, and I will see you at the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.